Struggling to maintain a daily flexibility practice that genuinely transforms how you move? You're missing the core movements that unlock real change. Most routines fail because they skip the exercises that truly matter for lasting mobility. I'm about to walk you through 6 foundational moves I practiced without fail each sunrise for over half a decade, roughly 7 minutes invested, and they've revolutionized everything from my first steps out of bed to my energy before sleep. What makes these unstoppable? They activate your entire back body chain, which you'll discover in just a moment. Let me guide you step by step so you can test them at dawn tomorrow and experience that transformation firsthand. Let's dive in. I always begin my movement sessions with a deep squat. I drop down, check in with my body's current state, warm up my hip joints, then launch into the sequence. Movement 1. Squat twists. Your opening drill is the squat twist. You'll notice I demonstrate fairly advanced flexibility because many folks can't bring their elbows near the ground, and that's perfectly okay. I started there too. You'll operate inside your personal range. Whatever depth feels accessible, claim it. Need to prop your heels on books or balance boards? Go ahead. That helps you settle into the position more comfortably. Grip one ankle, drive the opposite shoulder against your knee, and leverage that resistance to rotate. This drill is magic for your mid-back. Expect crackles, pops, and glorious motion. Complete 10 twists on one side, then hold the top position for 10 seconds. Why pause? Because we're reinforcing those end-range positions and building strength there. Strength lives at the edge of your range. Over weeks, your rotation will expand. After finishing one side, mirror the sequence for 10 reps on the other. Always initiate with your elbow. Imagine driving it skyward like you're punching clouds. On the descent, reach toward the floor or as near as possible. Movement 2. Squat fold. Drill number 2 is the squat fold. Clasp the rear of your heels and bring your forehead toward the ground as far as you can. Honor your current capacity. Tiny movements count. I filmed this from the side so you see the mechanics clearly. After 10 repetitions, simply rest in this shape. Notice how your vertebrae decompress. Gradually, your hips will sink lower and your head will descend further. You'll genuinely sense that spinal release. It's a remarkable feeling once momentum builds. Movement 3. Downward dog lifts. Next up, what I term downward dog lifts. Extend your arms forward maximally. Press your palms completely flat. They never lift. Keep your feet grounded too. Now, hinge your hips upward until your legs straighten. Again, respect your present range. Whatever that looks like for you is perfect. Too challenging? Walk your hands closer to your feet. You can also elevate your hands on blocks for easier access. I'll perform this 10 times, driving my hips all the way up. Once complete, I hold the peak position and sway my hips side to side for 10 reps, decompressing the entire posterior chain. Truly incredible sensation. Movement 4. Dynamic pulses. Next movement, dynamic pulses. This is one of the most powerful methods to unlock your back body, from your Achilles tendon straight up to your shoulder tops. I pulse dynamically within my available range. If your bounces are small right now, wherever you're currently limited, just work there briefly. Got more mobility? Drive your arms behind you and pulse deeper. When finished, hold the stretch. Grab your ankles or hamstrings and pause for several seconds, absorbing that decompression and sensation. I love stretching my ankles by sitting on them, then lifting my knees. This resets me before transitioning to the next drill. This is a child's pose twist. Settle into child's pose. Reach your arms as far forward as possible. Now perform lateral twisting rotations, just like we did in the opening squat drill, except now we're rotating from this kneeling fold. I do 5 reps per side here because my spine is already quite open at this stage. Layer your mobility, don't force it. This adds another dimension, another element of release. 5 reps, holding the final position for 5 seconds. Finally, I call this roll to squat. Here, I stretch the opposite direction. You'll feel this through your lower spine and back muscles. Honor your current range, okay? Can't bring your legs anywhere near your head? Totally fine. Use your hands for support by placing them under your hips to prop yourself up or stabilize. What I do, I rock backward, harness momentum, rise into a squat, and open my hips twice before rolling back into the starting shape. You can use your hands as I'm showing because they assist the upward push into the squat. It's mostly about flow and momentum. Play with this, it's quite enjoyable. You're doing things you probably did as a child but forgot. Return to those patterns, explore your body a bit, and discover the rhythm through your movement. The softer you make your body, the softer that floor becomes. I roll into a squat for 5 or 6 reps, then hold the position where I stretch my spine and hamstrings for 10 seconds. After that, I'll clasp my knees and press my entire spine into the floor for 10 seconds to complete the sequence. And that's it, friends. That's the entire flow. I guarantee you this sunrise ritual will transform your life. It's going to unlock you completely, and you'll feel fantastic for the remainder of the day. Best of luck. Enjoy and stay mobile. There you have it. Not even 10 minutes of effort each morning. Practice this for 30 days, and you'll move better in every single thing you do. Your training, your work, your daily life. You'll genuinely sense the difference. Let me know what topic you want broken down next. Smash that like button, subscribe to Healthy Tips Tricks, share this with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.